Hi everyone. Hope you're all ready to learn the parts of a plot. Like we've mentioned before, a plot is a storyline, and so today we're going to go through the different parts of a plot so that you're ready to analyze a video for the parts of its plot. So make sure you follow along with this Prezi and take any notes that you feel necessary. So the very first part of the plot is called the exposition, where you learn about the characters, the setting, and the entire background of the story. It's kind of usually in the beginning of the story, it introduces you to everyone that's necessary. As we move up our mountain, we get to the next part, which is the conflict, which is an inciting incident that happens to the main character or characters and begins to change the course of the story. So basically the problem of the story is the conflict. Continue up the mountain, we get to the rising action, which is the action within the story that leads up to the climax. And the climax, which is at the tippy top of the mountain, is often the most exciting part of the story. The climax is when the conflict of the plot is resolved. One example would be the hero saves the princess, a dragon is slain, treasure is found, etc. So make sure you know that the climax is when the conflict of the plot is resolved. So now we're working our way down the mountain to our next part, which is the falling action. So the action that occurs in the story between the climax and the resolution. And as we continue down the mountain, we're at the very end to our resolution, which occurs at the end of the story when the conflict is completely resolved. So now that you know all of the parts of the plot, you're going to watch a short movie about 6 minutes long called Pigeon Impossible. And while you're watching, you're going to be answering questions about the plot, basically identifying the different parts and answering questions to make sure you truly understand the different parts of a plot. All right, so good luck.